Okay, so what we're gonna do, put this drill on reverse. Just a second. Reverse. Okay, we're gonna take it off over here. Right in here, put that in there. Okay, and you do it. Make sure you're on this. You gotta look in there and see if you're on the screw, okay? And we'll hook that drill right in there.
I got a flashlight.
Okay, is it on?
Yeah.
Try it. Okay. Oh, a little more. Oh, there we go.
That's great.
Okay, so we got that one.
Now we have to go and get that one.
This one over here is busted. Get it on there. Do this out of the way.
Oh.
There you go. Keep going, keep going. There you go. There we go. We gotta glue that.
No.
Nope, leave that. Okay.
Because that wrench can snap.
Out to the garage.
Yeah.
Let's go. You and me. Whoa, that was deadly. Yeah, we can epoxy that right there. There's the broken piece. There we go. Bammo. There's our epoxy right there. And Dad's gonna need some gloves.
Me too.
You're gonna need some gloves too?
I love these things.
And we're gonna need a flat screwdriver.
This one's funny. These are funny gloves.
Okay.
These are kind of funny gloves. To take it on. I'm gonna try again.
Oh, okay. Let's Daddy put some gloves on. Okay, unglove.
I got these ones. Seven blue ones. Oh, my favorite.
This goes on right like that, right? Okay, so we're gonna move that over.
Okay.
And we're gonna get a piece of cardboard.
Okay.
Right here.
That's the garbage can.
Out of the garbage can. We're gonna open it up.
This is bar soap from yesterday.
Bar soap, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna hold that because you're gonna be my mixer. Okay, I'm gonna get a pair of pliers. At your tummy. Any of these will do.
That's gonna spill everywhere.
Yeah, we're just gonna get that off.
Jesus.
Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it on. Okay, we don't need a whole lot there.
You don't need a lot because it's gonna be.
Pull that back just a bit. Okay, mix it all in a circle like this. And you try to keep it, you don't want to spread it over here or spread it over there. You just keep going around in the circle. Okay, keep going around and around. And we're mixing the two chemicals together. Epoxy, it's called.
We brought it to a store. You got it.
Yeah, we got it at the store. The dollar store. Forgot of that. It's dollar store epoxy. It's probably hopefully good stuff.
And we first opened it.
Okay, Dad's gonna see for a second. Okay, now you're gonna take that. You see how you got some goobers on there?
Mhm.
You're gonna come over here and you're just gonna put it on that piece all over there. Okay. Can you do that other side?
Mhm. And we have gloves on for
And then
can't
flip it over.
spill on our fingers. Or if we don't have gloves on, it can have owies on our fingers.
That's right. Now we're gonna take this. Get that guy all goobered up.
That guy.
Okay, we're gonna put it right on there. Does it look like it matches?
Yeah.
Right about there.
Mhm.
Okay, you want to put some more glue on it?
Sure.
Okay, so let's just scoop it up like that. Let's just come down on this side. Okay, 2 again. Come on the back side. Ooh, that's getting some good glue. Okay, we'll scoop up another.
Google.
A little bit slow.
You have to get gloves on to keep us safe. You go in there.
Hey, watch what you're doing here, sweetie pie. I think we're almost done though. Okay.
You just got the meat.
It's alright. Is that my Stevie?
Yep.
Hello, Stevie. Okay, now you just flip over your stuff like this. Get the epoxy off of there. Now, this says, you push this back into there.
Okay.
That goes in the garbage. This says it's a 5-minute epoxy, but I think we should wait longer than that. It says it's dry in 5 minutes, but maybe we'll wait till tonight. Okay, so that's in there.
Sit back.
That's kind of just dripping down.
Ooh. So we have to use our thumb.
Let's just see. 1 second, sweetie. Oh, looks. There we go. Yeah, feels like it's.
Almost dry.
No.
Those
Those were our screws. I don't know. Those were our screws. I think we used earlier, right?
I'm going to get there. Dad, I haven't got dirty yet.
Hey, what are you doing getting your finger in there? Okay, let's leave that for a bit. I'm going to take my glove off. You just wanted to get glue on you, I think, right?
No.
Okay, let's save your gloves. This glove's good. This one's... Maybe I can take it off and we can let it dry. It might be crispy. Okay, let's put that there.
Daddy!
Oh, hi, Gilly Willy.
Oh,
We're letting this glue dry, okay? Don't touch it. That one's gluey. Ah. I'll put that one over there.
Now we can.
Why? Because I just used glue.
Yeah, this kind of glue. This kind.
Sticky glue.
Yes.
Don't touch that either. That's gluey. Okay, let's open this glue drawer up. We don't want little guys up there. Let's put this up here. It's kind of floating up a bit. Maybe what I can do. Can you back up just a hair?
No, Joe. This is
Yeah. I wonder if I can just take this screwdriver.
Mom has a channel.
Can you back up again? Rosie, can you back up again?
Why?
Well, I was going to try and get some weight. Here, this might work.
Can we go out?
Sure.
Don't we go out?
Let's take these tiles.
I like this tile. Remember those had
Okay, so if we put this, there we go. That kind of pushed it down.
But let's do this.
We're gonna leave that just like that.
Do this.
Okay? And let that dry. Don't touch.
Okay.
Okay. And hello! Here we are on day 2. What day is it?
2.
Day 2. And our epoxy stuff should be dry. Here it is here. You want to take the screwdriver off? Does it feel dry?
Yeah.
Feels dry. Okay, so we don't need that. We were using that just for weight. Keep it down. There's our gloves from yesterday. Oh no, my finger. Yep, feels pretty good. Looks pretty good. So we've got our 2 screws. You want to put that in your hand? Maybe we won't use the drill to over tighten it. Let's get a Phillips screwdriver. So Phil is a what? Phil's a star, and in Canada, I don't know about in the States. So we got Phil's a star, Robert's square. What do we call it, flat? I don't know what we call it, flat. Phil and Rob. All right, we're going with Phil today. So we need Phillips. We got this. Now we're gonna head into the kitchen. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right.
The bowl. Daddy. The bowl.
Yeah, we're gonna fix it, you and me, right? Okay, let's get this in there. Let's pull it back. Shut in the fridge. Okay, you got the screw? Oh man, you got lots of toys, eh? You found a car in there.
Yeah, in glass.
Oh my. Okay, Gil.
The bowl.
Okay, what'd you find?
The bowl.
Oh, a ball. Okay, we're going in. There we go. Screw that in. Okay, and when we done? How done are we? How done are we? Are we done? Done like dinner?
Yeah.
What do you say?